Good morning. Today I will be speaking about calcium sulfate and cement. Plaster of Paris. Calcium sulfate is usually used in the form of plaster of Paris. Plaster of Paris is prepared by heating gypsum to 393 Kelvin. Thus, it contains one molecule of water for every 2 calcium and 2 sulfate ions. When heated to 473 Kelvin, the whole of water is lost and anhydrous salt left is called dead burnt. Properties of plaster of Paris are: it's a white powder. On mixing with water, it forms a plastic mass. This is called the setting of plaster of Paris. This setting is due to the hydration of plaster of Paris into gypsum. During the setting, there is a slight increase in volume. This allows the plaster of Paris to take the shape of any mold. The uses of plaster of Paris are: it is used for producing molds for pottery and ceramics. It's used for making statues, models, and other decorative materials. Used in building industry. Used in surgical bandages known as plasters for setting broken and fractured bones. It is also used in dentistry. Cement. It is a finely ground mixture of calcium silicates and aluminates which set to a hard mass when treated with water. It was first introduced in England in 1824 by Joseph Aspdin. It's also called Portland cement. In India, the cement industry started in 1940. The composition of cement is as follows: CaO 50 to 60%, SiO2 20 to 25%, Al2O3 5 to 10%, MgO 2 to 3%, Fe2O3 1 to 2%, and SO3 1 to 2%. For a good quality of cement, the ratio of silica and alumina should be between 2.5 to 4. Manufacture of cement. The main raw materials for the manufacture are limestone and clay. The manufacturing process involves the following steps. The powdered limestone and clay are mixed in the ratio 3:1 by parts. The mixture is heated at about 1770 to 1870 Kelvin in a rotatory kiln. In this kiln, the temperature varies from 1100 to 1800 Kelvin. In this process, the following changes occur. Limestone decomposes to give lime and CO2. Lime, alumina, silica react together to form a mixture of calcium silicate and calcium aluminate. The reactions taking place are as follows. Due to the extremely high temperatures in this zone, about 20 to 30% mass melts and combines with solid mass to form pebbles known as cement clinkers. After the process, the hot clinkers are cooled and mixed with 2 to 3% of gypsum. Then it is powdered, and this powder is called cement. Setting of cement. When the cement is to be used, it is mixed with water. It is an exothermic reaction. Cement always reacts with water to form a gelatinous mass which slowly sets into hard mass having SiSO(Si) and SOAl chain. The uses of cements are as following. It is an important constructional material mainly used in construction of buildings and dams. Next to iron and steel, it has become a commodity of national necessity for any country. Attempts have been made to find a substitute for cement, one of them being fly ash, which is a waste product from the steel industry. This can be added to cement to reduce its price and at the same time it does not degrade its quality.